Shaving can make you feel silky smooth and confident, or it can leave you with razor burns, bumps, and ingrown hairs. And if you've ever thought, am I even shaving the right way? You're definitely not alone. And today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step shaving routine that will change your shaving game for the best. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to shave safely, avoiding irritation, and maintaining that healthy skin, all without spending a fortune on fancy products. So stick with me, because I'm not only sharing the right shaving method, but also most mistakes women don't even know they're making and how to fix them for good. Before we jump into how to, let's set the record straight. Shaving isn't just about removing hair. It's about skin health and self-confidence. When done wrong, shaving can cause tiny micro tears, infection, hyperpigmentation, and even permanent scarring. But when done right, it helps maintain smooth, healthy skin and prevents embarrassing bumps or irritation. It's imperative that your shaving technique should be treated like skincare and not just hair removal. To have the perfect bumps-free shave, you need to follow these 4 steps. Get your writing materials. These 4 steps, and they include choosing the right tool, the pre-shave care, using the right technique, and post-shave care. Step 1, choosing the right tools. Not all razors are made equally, and yes, the wrong one could be ruining your skin. A razor or shave stick with 3 to 5 blades provides a close shave with fewer strokes, so you don't have to go over and over a particular spot, which means less irritation. So that's your best option if you asked me. Invest in quality sticks that you can use 3 to 5 times and still get the job done. Stop using soaps for shaving because it dries the skin in that area. Instead, use a shaving cream, and if you don't have that, you can use fragrance-free oils or aloe vera gel because it protects your skin and helps the razor to glide on smoothly. Pre-shave care has to do with skin prepping. Most women just jump straight into shaving dry or with soap, like I mentioned earlier. But the truth is, preparing determines 80% of your results. And that preparation includes, first off, you hydrate the skin and the hairs around your pubic and armpits areas. Always shave at the end of your shower or bath and rinse afterwards. So many people are guilty of shaving before they bath, and those hairs are dry. The area is dry, it's not hydrated enough, so you're literally tugging on your skin and pulling hairs instead of shaving smoothly. So always shave after bathing, and when you shave, you rinse it off. Someone will ask me, why should you shave after bathing? It's because warm water or water in general would soften your skin and the hair follicles around that area, making them easier to cut and thereby reducing friction. Number 2 for pre-shave care is exfoliate. You have to use a gentle scrub or an exfoliating glove to remove the dead skin cells around that area. This prevents clogged pores, and it drastically lowers your risk of aftershave bumps caused by ingrown hairs. Now to step 3, the right technique during shaving. You should always shave in the same direction as your hair grows to avoid razor bumps and micro tears. If you go against the grain or hair growth pattern you have, it could result in bumps and tears. Also, use short, gentle strokes, very gentle strokes. Do not press too hard against the skin. Let the razor do its work. Pressing increases cuts and ingrown hairs, causing scarring and hyperpigmentation of your shaved areas. Third, rinse the blade often. After every stroke, rinse to prevent buildup of hair and cream. For delicate areas such as your bikini line and underarms, stretch the skin gently to create a flat surface in order to enable easy shaving. And the last step for the shaving routine is post-shave care. This is what separates a silky smooth finish from irritation and bumps. Now, after shaving, rinse with cold water. This helps to close the pores and calm the skin. Pat the skin dry. Don't rub, because rubbing with a towel would cause friction, irritating freshly shaved skin. Next, moisturize using soothing oils like jojoba oil or shea butter, as hydrated skin equals fewer ingrown hairs. The next step is skip perfumed products. Never use perfumes, deodorants, or alcohol-based sprays right after shaving, because your skin pores are open and directly absorbing these chemicals into your bloodstream. And not just that, they also burn the skin, leading to darkened armpits and pubic areas. So you don't want to use anything that contains alcohol, fragrance at this point. Now to the common mistakes you should avoid while shaving. Dry shaving, I mentioned it earlier. Although it's quick, but it's very damaging. It causes razor burns, scars, hyperpigmentation, and unless you want to have bumps and tears, avoid dry shaving. 2. Using old blades. Dull blades jog on hair, causing bumps and in severe cases infection. Replace blades after 3 to 5 uses, please. I don't care if it's made from diamond, replace the blade. 3. Don't skip exfoliating your skin because dead skin cells lead to ingrown hairs and roughness. 4. You should never shave daily. Now, I've heard some people say it's because she's very neat, she has to shave daily. Please, sister, give your skin time to recover, okay? Because when you shave, you have exfoliated that area, and it's imperative you allow your skin to heal before another shave session. It's advisable to shave every 10 days. This will help your skin to heal and recover properly. So for a quick recap of the full routine for the perfect shave, we said use the right razor and gel or oil. 2. Prep your skin, and by that I mean hydrate and exfoliate. 3. Shave correctly in the direction your hair grows. 4. Follow up with post-shave care of rinsing with cool water and moisturizing with a fragrance-free body oil, or best of all, shea butter. Lastly, avoid the common mistakes I mentioned earlier, and by following these steps, you will transform your shaving from a painful chore into a skincare ritual that leaves you smooth, confident, and irritation-free. Shaving is more than hair removal. It's your self-care, and it should be a very gentle process. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, share with a friend, a sister, a daughter, or any girl or females who deserve the best shaving techniques. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be sharing even more health topics and routines that every girl, woman, or female needs to be her best. Stay smooth, stay confident, and always remember I've got you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.